Adding personal resources to your custom curriculum. eNovativePiano allows you to upload personal resources to individualize your lessons. If you create a great worksheet or instructional video, you can upload it and associate it with a workbook or an individual lesson. You probably have noticed this progress bar on your dashboard. It refers to the amount of storage that you have for personal resources. eNovativePiano allows you 15 megabytes of complementary storage so that you can upload personal documents, images, audio, and video. You can also add external links such as to YouTube or to any website, but these don't count against your storage. To view your resources, select My Workbooks from the main navigation, then My Resources. If you have uploaded any resources, they will appear on the Manage Resources pane. You can see the name, the type of resource it is, and the file size. If you wish to include your own videos, be aware that they will quickly use up your allocated storage space. This short video has used up 1/3 of the total available. It is better to upload your personal videos to a cloud storage location such as YouTube, Vimeo, Dropbox, or Google Drive, and attach the link rather than the video itself. Should you require more storage space, please contact us. From here, you can do the following: search by title or content, filter for all your workbooks or by an individual workbook. These icons allow you to preview a resource. You can select the eyeball, edit the resource. You can edit the name, update the file, and attach it to a workbook if you wish. Selecting this Edit Pencil icon also lets you see where this resource has been attached. In this example, I can see that my image, 5-finger position, has been attached to the lesson Oral Playback in my Piano 1 class workbook. From here, I can navigate to the workbook or the lesson. The X icon will delete the resource, and it will no longer be attached to any workbook or lesson. On the left side, you can add a new resource, either a link or a file, and if you wish, associate them with a workbook. You might choose to do this with a generic item such as a welcome video or a course syllabus. By doing this, students enrolled in this class workbook will be able to view that resource. If you want to attach a resource to a specific lesson page, follow these instructions. To attach a resource, the lesson must be in a workbook. Once it is in the workbook, you can add resources from the lesson page by selecting the Edit Pencil, or from the workbook by selecting the wrench icon for that lesson, then the Edit Pencil. When the Edit Assignment pane opens, find the Resource section. You have these options: add a link or a file. You can add a new one or choose from resources that you have already uploaded. When you add personal resources to a lesson, the paperclip icon appears in the workbook and on the lesson page to alert the student to the added resource.